Hi, my name is Dan Carnevale, President of Danatronics. I'd like to introduce you to the Echo 9 and some of its advanced features. The Echo 9 has a unique vibrate on alarm feature where the gauge can be told to vibrate on alarm on any preset threshold. For example, in this case, I've entered 170 thousandths as the low threshold. This steel test block has a thickness range of 100 thousandths of an inch to 500 thousandths of an inch, or 2.5 to 12.7 millimeters. In this example, we are reading 500 thousandths of an inch. As I walk down the test block, you notice that the A scan is green as well as the F key is green. Any operator could quickly determine if they're getting close to a low condition. The waveform turns yellow as the F2 key also lights up yellow, and when we trip the alarm, the gauge vibrates, turns red, and the F key also lights up red. In addition to this feature, we also show the fast minimum feature where the gauge can be set to hold onto the maximum and minimum thickness reading during the course of a scan, all at 25 measurements per second. Simply to reset the scan, press the F3 key and begin again. In this example, the Echo will keep track of the low and the high during the course of the scan. In this case, 098 was retained as the minimum and 501 was retained as the maximum. The operator will instantly know when they're on the high or the low reading simply by looking at the two numbers. When the large number matches the low number on the minimum that it's retained, then you know you're on a pit. Another nice feature of the Echo 9 is you can change the display format to the maximum thickness superimposed over the A scan, or you can look at thickness only. The fourth screen is you can view the entire file name and ID, and now the thickness reading gets larger in the top right with the ID and the waveform. I'd like to show you a new feature of the Echo 9 series. We have the ability by using the waveform to turn on the coding thickness, where we can display the coding thickness and the substrate at the same time. When you go to the calibration screen, the instrument asks you to calibrate the substrate first without the coding. Press F2 for substrate. Perform a normal calibration by coupling to the thin, pressing the 0, enter the known thickness. In this case, we're changing 101 thousandths down to 100 thousandths. Then we press the cal key. Echo asks to couple to the thick. Press F3 for vel. In this case, we're going to change the 505 in the top right down to 500 thousandths of an inch. Press menu OK. At this point, Echo is going to ask us to couple coding. We put the coding on the thick section. We press F3 for velocity, and in the top right we're changing the number of 0.35 thousandths of an inch down to the known thickness of 30 thousandths of an inch. And then press menu OK, and Echo will calculate the sound speed of the coding. I'd like to show you the B-scan function of the Echo 9 series. To begin a B-scan, press the Start button. The image starts to draw on the screen representing the cross-section of the test part in inspection. When I press the Stop button, I can review all the thickness readings on the display simply by moving the arrow. In addition, I can press the Display button and go live and view the live A scan while I'm performing the B scan at the same time. The final feature of the B scan is to combine the Echo 9 with a magnetic wheel linear axis encoder. This will keep track of the position on one axis of the B scan image so you can correlate the image with what is on the screen. For more information on the B scan, contact Danatronics at danatronics.com or sales@danatronics.com.